Nobody likes having a warm drink.
Everybody enjoys a cold drink on the go.
Why deal with the warm beverages or melting ice when you can use the fridge and freezer?
Can freeze canned drinks in 30 seconds at a chilly 39 degrees, and delicious juice boxes in 10 seconds.
Fits up to 6 cans, 2 bottles, 5 cans, 3 juice boxes, and you can even fit Arizona iced tea.
You can enjoy it by yourself, with your friends, and family, or even your team.
Fridge and freezer can be plugged into the wall, or if you please, you can plug it into your 12-volt outlet in your car, also known as a cigarette lighter. For cold drinks, on the go! Ta-da!
I love it. My kids are always on the go and always wanting cold drinks after the games. Like water and Amp energy drinks. I've been using this for a couple of weeks. It's awesome. I got one in the locker room. 2 cold drinks in 45 seconds. Fridge freezer. Get yourself one.
If you call now, we will throw in a fridge feeder twice the size. You can cool 2 liters in 2 minutes.
We will also throw in a 12-pack pop of your choice, 1 pack of juice boxes, and a can of Arizona iced tea.
Call now!